Hi everyone, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel. Today we are at a new video and I'm going to talk about something that really hurts, and I know that most of you will think about what it is. It's selling too fucking early. So we're gonna take one of my worst trades. It was not a losing trade, it was a trade that I sold way too early because my strategy was not on point at that time. So it was December 16th and I was on Theta USD. So at that time, we'd only see this part of Theta. The future was not existing because it was December 16th. And I saw this magnificent pattern that you see right here. That was a, whatever you call, there is just a resistance that is clear and beautiful. The market was wholly bullish, small and restricted volatility. Beautiful breakout with volume, so I decided to buy, and I think most of you would have done the same thing. So this is where I bought. I've put for you the white line, and this is where I sold. I sold on this drop because I was following the 4-hour trend on the 4-hour chart. That is right here. I'm not going to show you because this will displace my whole drawing, but I was following the 4-hour chart, and this 4-hour trend went to an end. I was taken out of this drop with my stop loss, and then first thing that was hurting a little bit was it started going back up again. Then it made a magnificent consolidation, so I decided to enter again on this consolidation. So I entered on this breakout here on the 4-hour chart, and when my trade reaches my R1, so I remind that my R1 was around here, I set my stop loss that was previously here. I put it back at my entry price so that my trade becomes unrisked. But what happened is that it went and touched my stop loss right there. So I was taken out a second time. So I was taken out here because I was following the 4-hour trend. That was stupid. And then again here because of my risk management strategy. And what happened was that I just did not make what could have been one of my most profitable trade of all time. So if I had followed the trend, I would have made a 1,300% profit. So to show you what what I'm telling you is true, I'm gonna go to my trading journal. So this is, well, it's funny because it was the first trade I made on this new strategy, on this new investment strategy. So it was December 16th of 2020. Binance bought Theta USDT. I bought 400 coins for a price of $0.82, so 82 cents. And now you can see that Theta is trading at $11 quite a nice run up. So my position was $330 and 0.25% of capital risk. On this trade, I made $188 because I told you I closed my trade at a gain. I closed the thing here following the 4-hour trend, but I sold way too early. So what did I learn with the trade? I remember putting in myself a little note here. I need to follow not the 4-hour trend, but the daily or weekly trend. Because if I had seen the daily trend, for example, if I plot my Ichimoku indicator that I really love, I would have seen that the trend right here was absolutely bullish and there was no way of selling. I should not have sold. Maybe I would have sold here because it broke the Kijun, but all the way up, it did not mean selling. You know what I mean? So I sold something way too early, and it was very bad for my psychology. But it always happened, and if you want that not to happen again, you need to learn trend following. Trend following is the trading of staying in the coin or the stock as long as it's bullish and ride all the trend. And I managed to do that on a position that that worked really well. That was NKN. I bought NKN here on this breakout right there, and as you can see, it went up quite a lot, quite a lot. It went up it's 2,000%. That's a lot. But I did not trade the USDT pair. I traded the BTC pair. So you can see on the BTC pair that I bought, well, the log does not even work on that. It was so, it pumped so hard. I bought this right here, this momentum, because the risk was very okay for me. Sold 50% when my position doubled to secure my gains. You know, I got a refund of my position, so I no longer risk any money. And then sold 50% here, and then 50% again here. And that you can see I did not sell the whole thing. I sold a small amount and ride all the trend. And right now I don't know if the bubble will just pop and go to zero. I don't know. What's really important is to do trend following. And I don't recommend that for everyone. It's only my view of investing, but I was so bitter at, you know, not making that 1000% that I am trying to work my best on making trend following strategy. And I think that the strategy I'm having right now works really, really well on trend following. I can show you another example that works really well for me. It's here. It's HNT USDT. So again, I already presented that one on the channel, but it's a very, very good example of trend following. I bought the breakout here and I held until this time. Only sold 50% here and sold 50% here. I even added more to the position around there because it was showing even more strength. And you can see that it went up. I bought the thing at $2 and now it's trading at 14, and when I sold it was at 15. So yeah, trend following, guys. You should maybe take a look at trend following if you don't know what that is. If you want to know more about that, I'll do more videos. And please tell me your questions in the comments about trend following. Do you do trend following? Do you know what it is? Have you already heard about it? I would very, very gladly share with the community. And see you in the next videos. Hope you learned a thing or two. Goodbye. Have a great day.